Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. So my 2018 Acura TLX has Android Auto as well as Apple CarPlay. Now, the only downside is I have to connect that using a USB cable, which means I have to always carry a USB cable around. There's messy wires in there and all that kind of stuff. The one thing that I missed a lot about my Nissan Altima was that I installed a Android head unit, allowing me to use Android Auto wirelessly. Hit a button, connects wirelessly. The only time I ever had to connect the cable was to charge my phone using my cigarette lighter charger. That's it. I love being able to just keep my phone in my pocket and hit a button and just, connect. But I can't do that in this car, and I actually haven't used Android Auto as frequently anymore because I always have to plug it in using a USB cable, and I find that a little annoying. So in today's video, we're going to be installing a wireless adapter, allowing us to connect to Android Auto wirelessly. Now, the wireless adapter that I decided to go with is by a company called AAWireless. Now, I purchased this through Amazon. This is the AAWireless 2. Now, the AAWireless 2 is only for Android Auto and Android phones. Now, the 2 Plus allows you to actually do Apple CarPlay as well as Android Auto. So the 2 Plus is a little bit more expensive. I myself only ever use Android phones, which is why I purchased this one instead of the 2 Plus. And the other good benefit about this allows you to connect multiple phones. Android Auto only allows you to connect one phone at a time in the car, but this allows you to be able to switch between those phones. So you can connect a bunch of phones onto this, or I think a couple phones. I don't actually know the exact amount, but there's a button on this adapter, and you hit it, and basically it switches. So if two people in your family are using Android Auto, both are connected to this. If you want to switch to the other person because they're driving and they want to listen to their music, you can. So that's the cool thing about this one, and it's actually rated really well. A lot of the reviews say this one's a really good one. So we're going to go and install and see how well this performs today. Let's get started. All right, let's start with a quick unboxing of this. So it is sealed, so we're just gonna cut this seal. It's the first time for me seeing any of this as well. And then we should be able to pop it open. And the cool thing about this is not like a made in China thing. It is made in Europe apparently, so it's very light. Look how small this thing is. That's all it is, and then you connect this to the USB port of the car. So just using this cable here. So let's go ahead and try it out in the car. All right, let's start off to install this thing. So the USB port is in this slot here. This is where the charging pad is. You see my USB cable is here. Let's put the wireless adapter down first. So I disconnected the cable already. That's the USB port right in this area here. So what all we have to do is just connect this to there. So let's do that really quick. It's kind of hard to do it with one hand. All right, just like that, it is installed. As you can see, all it is just plug it directly here. Now all we have to do is pair this with our phone, and then we'll be able to connect wirelessly with it. All right, just like that, it is connected. As you can see, it is solid blue, which means that it is fully paired and everything. And then we have our Android Auto completely set up already. Just like that. All right, here's the car turning on, and Android Auto going to be turned on soon. There you go, Android Auto is synced up and it's wireless. As you can see, I don't have my phone in here at all. There you go guys, the AAWireless 2 adapter is fully installed into my 2018 Acura TLX, and it works completely fine, and it's really seamless and it's quick. Nothing wrong with it. I think, only time will tell how well it performs because I haven't actually had a chance to test it out too much. But so far it connects pretty quickly, and when it boots up, it basically takes as long as the infotainment system to actually boot up. So by the time the infotainment system fully boots up, this AA wireless adapter fully boots up as well, and then we could just connect wirelessly to Android Auto right away. So pretty cool perk. I think now that I have wireless Android Auto, I'll be using it a lot more. Anyways guys, I hope this video helps you guys out. If you haven't already, please comment, like, and subscribe, and share my videos. As always guys, I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.